To tell about mobile.
Okay, so today I'm going to tell about mobile. Mobile is very important in this time, as you know very well. In this time, going on online generation without phone, anyone can't live in this world. As you know very well, in this time by the phone we can do online, we can take and also online batch. Suppose
To
that
tell about chair.
what about chair? Chair is very important for us. If we be tired, so we have to sit. That in that time we need chair. In this time going on more types of chair, but now time going on plastic very fastly. As you know very well, we can purchase plastic chair very
To
easily.
tell about ID card. ID card.
Okay, if I talk about identity card, it is very compulsory for everyone. If I talk about where it is used, we can say in the school, college, and also in this time going on the coaching. And if I talk about in the also coaching, it is running very fastly. And in the every school going on in the also identity card. If we will be
To tell about pencil.
what about pencil before time that was running very fastly, and in this time there is more companies we can say Apsara and Natwaraj, that company is going very fastly in this time, and also it that pencil is used for only for nursery to 5 plus student. As you know very well, some students also use pencil for the make art, and that is very important for us. If
To
we
tell
go
about cricket.
what about cricket in this time also every Indian like cricket, as you know very well. Now time before time was going on IPL. In that time also winner Gujarat for the in the IPL. If I talk about that was that team was very hard before time that lost, but in this time that team
To
should
tell
not
about
have lost.
uniform.
Uniform is very necessary in this time. If we will go in the school, so if we will never wear uniform, so that teacher also scold us, and they tell you need also uniform. You see, from tomorrow you will have to wear uniform after you will join the school. Without uniform you can't join school. As
To
you
tell
know very
about
well.
the shoes.
What about shoes? Shoes is also used in the summer season, winter also summer season. In this time running shoes very fastly, as you know very well. Nike company also campus campus company is running very fastly. Nike company that
What
company
about
is very high
population?
five. What about population in the India also population 140 crore, as you know very well. 140 crore population running in the India also. We should also stop for population. If we talk about by population,
To
also
tell
we can
about
argue.
pollution.
Pollution is increasing very fastly in the India. If I talk about in the Delhi, if I talk about Delhi, in the Delhi population is increasing very fastly. If I talk about in the we should also stop pollution. If I talk about if we want to stop pollution, so we will have to firstly we will have to plant the tree. Without plant tree, we can't stop pollution. Also, everyone
You
should
tell about water.
Water is very compulsory in this time. As you know very well, in this world present 1% land and 99% water. If I talk about by the water we can live in on earth. Without in the one if we do not drink water 1 week, so we can die in the
To
1
tell
week.
about science.
If I talk about science, everything is running science. I am studying by science. I think as you know very well, Newton also made the also gravity. If he also sit if he was also sit in the under the apple tree, apple fall on him after he know about what is the gravity. After he launched gravity.
Fantastic.